All right, so I'm going to show you how to get these citations indexed on our pages wherever they're being pointed to. So right now this is a file. You're going to get the same file. You're going to fill these files out as you go. So when you complete them, this is when you're going to come bring them over and put them on the web page. So these ones here are going to be done in Fiverr. So I'll send you all these links, and then these are the ones that I paid for that I talked to you about. So what you want to do is first you're going to take the first link and you're just going to click where the link to where it's going, and this is going to show you the actual listing of what it is. And then you're going to have the website right here, so we're going to want to click that website and open it. I'm going to give you passwords to all these, so you can go in and do edits. So you can see right here, this is Dog Training Elizabeth. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to come down and delete all this right to the root domain, and we're going to put wp-admin in the URL bar after the root domain, and the login is always the same, which I'm going to give you. This pops up. You can save it if you want, and then just remind me later. So after you're logged in, we're going to have to find that page. So we just go to Pages and All Pages. And we wanted to look for the Elizabeth one. Again, if you forget, it's right here. But again, if you forget, you can go back to that link, and then you can click it. And now that you're logged in, you can actually just click Edit Page here. So I'll close these other windows here. All right, so now that you have your list open, this is all the different URLs, okay? And these are all the different directories that they're listed in. We're going to want to come down here to the bottom, and you can actually click this window here, Preview Changes, so you have this open so you can see what we're doing. So go back to Edit Page, come over here. We're going to add a whole new section, Regular. It's going to be a 3-bar section, and each of them are going to be, each of these modules, these pluses, are going to be text. It already prompts the first one, so you can just type in text to bring it up. Just go and add them all. Okay. Now what we'll want to do is come over here to the first one and click Settings. So it's going to open up the first here. We're going to want to go to our report, and we're going to want to copy all of these. So you just Control copy. We're going to want to open up a Word doc. You can open up Google Sheets, Docs, or whatever. And then you're going to want to right click, and then your paste option. You want this as the format. Okay. Now, what I'm going to have to do here is open up a brand new one. Okay, same thing. So now we have them all. Now what we're going to do is we are going to copy all these, and we are going to go back to our page. Where are we? Come on. Edit Page. Okay, and we're going to pop these all into the first one. We can separate them later. Okay, I don't know why that didn't stick. Hold on. Am I in them right now? Okay. I don't know why that's not sticking. Okay, hold on. Wait, look again. They're all in there. Okay. Just going to go click to this, and I'm going to backspace so that they're all lined up properly. All right. So now I'm going to save that. I'm going to come up here and update it because you just never know. Sometimes WordPress logs you out. So I just always try to save my work. Let's go back down to the bottom again. And let's open up the text box. Okay, now you have all of your citations that we're going to link to. So I'm going to drag this window. Actually, I'm going to open it up first. I'm going to bring this off by itself. Okay, I'm using two screens right now, so it's harder to do this, but I'm going to click and I'm going to drag this to the side. This is just to make it easier on me. And then this is the next one I'm going to pick. And I'm going to bring this over. Okay, and so these are all the citations. You can see these are the citations. I'm just going to click this again to make sure I don't have a different window open and make sure it's the right one. So Dog Training Elizabeth one. Okay, this one doesn't actually have a link on it, so let me look at the first one again. Oh, this one had the website. Okay, this is the right profile. So now I'm going to take this, I'm going to highlight it, and I'm going to click Control and then K. Okay, it's going to ask you to put a link in. So you come over here and copy it, Control C, come back over here, paste it. Okay, Manta, make sure this is the right Manta one, come over here, Control Copy, Control K, paste, there. It's that simple. Come down to Foursquare, Control K. Okay, and we're just going to go through all of these. Okay, and we're going to go next to the link, and we are just going to copy it, and we're just going to paste it. Okay, so you're just linking out these links now, and they go out when Google crawls our page. Google will most likely index the majority of them because they're coming from a page with some authority. So that's what I want you to do. And after you're done linking them all, you'll come down, you'll grab 17, I think it is 17 or 18. So the first 17 you leave, and then you click 17 and then you cut them. So you would come down here, just for example, and you would cut, and then you come over here, and then you'll paste it in here after the links are in there, and they'll bring the links over and everything, just so that you, at the end of it, when you have them done, you'll have all of these. So I'll actually show you. Let's just save it right now, and I'll add a row because I forgot to do this. You want to add a row, and we want it to be a text row. Okay, and you just want it to say, find us online. And then you want a heading 3, save it, and then after you're done, you can just drag it up here by clicking this and putting it up here on top. Okay, and then we're going to preview changes so you can see. Okay, it says find us online, and it's just going to be like this, but it's going to be broken up into 3 sections because you have the separate tabs. So pretty simple, and yeah, let me know if you have any questions.